everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Manali Bhagat. I hope you all are fine at home and happy Navratri to all of you. So before starting with our video, I hope you all have subscribed to my channel. If not, then please do subscribe and press the bell icon. Eating certain kind of food can keep your immune system strong. If you are looking forward for the ways to treat your illnesses like flus or any other viral or bacterial infection, you must always focus on what you eat. Plan your meal to include this powerful food to boost your immunity and to fight bacterial infections.
First up we have is papaya. Now papaya is loaded with vitamin C. It contains enzyme named papain, which is helpful in breaking down the tough protein chains, and it is also rich in potassium, vitamin B and vitamin A. Next up is garlic. It is a widely used spice which adds extra taste to the food. It is known as immunity boosting superstar, helps to treat common cold, flu and other illnesses. 1 clove of garlic contains 5 milligrams of calcium and 12 milligrams of potassium. When we eat or we have raw garlic, it is more beneficial to health. It helps in lowering our blood pressure, cholesterol level, kills parasite in our body. Next up we have is green tea. Both green and black tea is packed with antioxidants. It contains EGCG, that means epigallocatechin gallate. It is a kind of enzyme which enhances our immune functions. These enzymes are rich in amino acids that aids in germ fighting component in our T cells. Next up we have is broccoli. Now broccoli is supercharged with vitamins and minerals. It is packed with vitamin A, C, E and lots of antioxidants and fibers. It is an healthiest vegetable you can put on your table. It also contains a large amount of vitamin C which can boost our immune system. 100 grams of broccoli contains 89 milligrams of vitamin C, which is more than a lot of citrus fruits. It is rich in beta carotene and a lot of antioxidants. If it is cooked little or eaten raw, it helps us to keep its nutrients intact, and steaming is the best option you have for eating broccoli. Next up we have is ginger. It is another ingredient which is trusted for treating various types of illnesses. It reduces inflammations like it cures sore throat, joint pains, flu and cold. It decreases nausea and vomiting. Ginger also helps our immune system optimally by boosting it when it is underactive and suppressing it when it is overactive. Next up we have is spinach, which is rich in vitamin C and beta carotene. It also has infection fighting properties. It includes calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium, vitamin A and lots of essential antioxidants. When it is lightly cooked and it is not overcooked, then it enhances the vitamin A content in this spinach. Next we have is citrus fruits. Citrus fruits means lemons, oranges, tangerines, etc. They all are citrus fruits, and we all know that citrus fruit are best source of vitamin C. It helps us to build our immune system. They are the keys to increase our WBCs, which helps in fighting the infections. It also improves the conditions of pneumonia, diarrhea and malaria. Daily dose of vitamin C our body needs is about 75 to 100 milligrams. Next we have is red bell pepper, that means red capsicum. It contains twice vitamin C than our citrus fruits. It maintains our healthy skin, and it is also a rich source of beta carotene, which is good for our eyes and skin. Last but not the least we have is apple. There are many different reasons why apples are good for health and to build a strong immunity. First and foremost, they contain all the essential vitamins like vitamin A, B1, B2, E and vitamin C. It contains pectin, which is a type of fiber which acts as a prebiotic enzyme that boosts our gut bacteria. That means it is also good for our digestion.
In addition to good diet, Exercise, good sleep, and proper supplementation is also essential to build a strong immune system at this time of year. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, then make sure to hit the like button below. And thank you for all your support. I really appreciate that. Thank you for watching.